Alright, hey YouTube, Nate here. Now, I'm going to attempt to beat my Rubik's Cube record, which is 1 minute and 50 seconds. For those of you who don't know, I just got into a recent hobby of Rubik's Cubing. That's what I call it, or Rubiksing. It's kind of a dumb hobby, but it's been spreading like a plague throughout our school. I'm going to tell you now, I'm not the fastest. Like, there's people that do it, under a minute, and people under like 10 seconds. I'm going to attempt to do it under 2 minutes, so... This isn't meant to impress any of you professional Rubik's Cube people who are like crazy good. I just try to show my subscribers this cool new talent I found that I can do. And if any of you are better than me, props to ya, because I want to get there someday. So feel free to post a video response of your time on a Rubik's Cube if you would like. You're probably going to be better than me, but I do what I can. So let's try to do this. Okay, now first, mix it up. First things first, just take a look and try to decide the best route. Okay, here we go. Barely! 1 minute and 58 seconds. Woohoo! That was a close one. So yeah, there you have it. For those of you wondering, it's actually not that hard. I suggest you check out some videos. I'll post a link over here. There's 2 videos on this guy on YouTube, and he does a really good job of explaining how to do them. It's just memorizing the algorithms. It's pretty simple. So there you go, new talent. I know I still got some improvement, and if I ever get under 1 minute, I'll post that. I'll give you guys an update. But there you guys go. So yeah. And for those of you wondering, I've been doing it for probably about, I'd say 2 to 3 weeks. So I'd say that's pretty good. Yeah, I think I completed my first one 2 weekends ago. So yep. Thanks for watching, and go me. Yeah. See you guys.